Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring without using Google Home app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select the settings icon from top. Select device preferences. First we have to ensure that TV has chromecast feature. Go down. Under device preferences, here we can see chromecast built-in. That means this TV has chromecast feature. Then go up, then select about. Select device name. Please note this device name. We can edit this name and we can give any name here. Right now this is the name of this TV, Android TV. That is the name of this TV. Go back. Again go to settings. Select network and internet. So here we can see this TV has connected to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. We need to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or same mobile hotspot. Let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, open settings app. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on network and internet. You can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. If we don't have Wi-Fi router, we can use mobile hotspot. In that case, we have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same mobile hotspot. Let me close this screen. Then again open settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Select connected devices. Select connection preferences. Select cast. Here you can see Android TV. So that is the name of the TV which I am using. That means this mobile phone has detected my TV. So this cast feature of this mobile phone will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network or same mobile hotspot. So here this mobile phone has detected my TV. So that is why we are seeing TV name here. Tap on this TV name. Now it's connecting. Tap on start now. See, it's working. So let me focus this TV screen. See, this way we can do screen mirroring without using Google Home app. If you want to switch the display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on this mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch the display to full screen in TV. We can also watch YouTube videos in full screen. Just open YouTube app in mobile phone, just rotate the mobile phone. Here I am using Realme mobile phone. So just I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. In mobile phone, again open the settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connected devices. Select connection preferences. Tap on cast. Here we can see connected TV. Tap on this connected TV. Now we get this disconnect option. Tap on disconnect. Done. So this way we can do screen mirroring without using Google Home app. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.